Welcome to DriveVerse, where the machines aren't just powerful, they're mythical. Today, we explore a unicorn, a monster wrapped in carbon, a hypercar with 4 seats for cup holders, and the ability to out-accelerate a Formula 1 car. This is the 2025 Koenigsegg Gemera HV8, and it's not just powerful, it's absurd. It redefines what a family car can be. The legend of Koenigsegg. To understand the Gemera, you have to understand Koenigsegg, a Swedish company with fewer than 500 employees and more world records than brands 100x its size. Founded by Christian Koenigsegg, this isn't just a carmaker, it's an innovation lab disguised as a supercar factory. No outsourcing, no platform sharing, everything is built in-house. From engines to screws, every car is a manifesto. Meet the Gemera version 2.0. The original Gemera stunned the world in 2020, a 4-seat Grand Tourer powered by a 3-cylinder camless engine and hybrid tech with nearly 1,700 horsepower. Now, in 2025, Koenigsegg has taken things to a ludicrous level. They've swapped a 3-cylinder for something truly unhinged, a 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8 straight from the Jesko, paired with 3 electric motors. The result? 2 300-plus horsepower, 2,750 Nm of torque, and a sound that will raise the dead. Performance beyond logic. Let's talk numbers. 0 to 100 km/h, under 1.9 seconds. Top speed estimated at 250+ mph. Quarter mile, likely under 9 seconds. All-wheel drive, all-wheel torque vectoring, all-out insanity. This isn't just a hypercar, it's a rocket with room for a car seat. The HV8 powertrain, madness perfected. At the heart is Koenigsegg's Jesko V8, one of the most powerful production engines ever built. But this isn't just any V8, it's built ultralight, capable of revving to 8,500 RPM, and designed to run on E85 biofuel for an even greater power bump. Mated to this is Koenigsegg's own direct drive transmission, no traditional gearbox, just immediate, unfiltered torque with electric motors filling any gap in power delivery. The HV8 version adds 2 rear electric motors and 1 on the crankshaft. You get all the drama of a combustion engine with none of the lag. It's silent when you want it, violent when you don't. Interior, 4 seats of future shock. Step inside, and you're not in a hypercar. You're in a luxury spacecraft. Carbon monocoque tub, ultra-thin, high-strength seats, huge wraparound displays, cameras instead of mirrors, and yes, for adult-sized seats, with climate control, infotainment, and even wireless chargers for each passenger. This is what a Bugatti can't do. This is what Ferrari won't try. This is Koenigsegg's vision of hypercar practicality. Doors that defy gravity. Then there are the dihedral synchrohelix doors. The name is complicated, but the effect is simple, jaw-dropping. They swing forward and up, revealing the entire cabin in one dramatic motion. And no, they don't need extra clearance. You can open them in a parking lot. No roof pillar, no B-pillar, just uninterrupted access. Materials, design, and detail. Everything is carbon. From the top to the body panels to the interior. Even the wheels. Weight kept under 4,000 pounds, despite the size and hybrid tech, lighter than most Teslas. The design is subtle by Koenigsegg standards. It's not screaming for attention. It whispers, you have no idea what I'm capable of. Aerodynamics are active. Suspension is programmable. Every detail is crafted, not manufactured. Hybrid range and drive modes. Despite its savagery, the HV8 is still a hybrid. In EV-only mode, it can glide silently for up to 30 miles. Perfect for sneaking out of the neighborhood before unleashing hell. You can also drive in pure combustion, pure electric, or blended hybrid modes, all dynamically adjusted by the car. It's a Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde system. Tame one second, terrifying the next. Competition? What competition? What competes with the Gemera HV8? The Bugatti Chiron, slower, heavier, 2 seats. The Rimac Nevera, all electric, but not nearly as visceral. The Ferrari SF90, it doesn't even come close. The Tesla Roadster, if it ever ships, it's still not this. There is no direct rival to a 4-seat, 2,300 horsepower hybrid V8 hypercar. It exists in a class of one, price and production. And of course, it won't come cheap. The Koenigsegg Gemera HV8 is expected to cost well over $2 million. Production will be extremely limited, under 500 units worldwide. This car isn't just rare, it's collector-grade, track-worthy, and street-legal all at once. Final verdict, the hypercar has grown up. So what do we make of the Gemera HV8? It's a rebellion against compromise. It dares to say, you can have passengers and performance, luxury and lunacy, a family car, and the fastest vehicle on the road. In a world obsessed with downsizing, regulation, and quiet EVs, Koenigsegg says, we'll give you all of it, and we'll do it better. This isn't the future of hypercars. It's the final boss of them. So, would you daily drive a 2,300 horsepower monster with your kids in the back? Would you take this over a Bugatti? Or is this Koenigsegg simply too much? Let us know in the comments. And if you love cinematic AI-powered car reviews, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and ride with DriveVerse as we chase down the world's most extreme machines. Until next time, see you in the fast lane.